Mahatma Gandhi. The name resonates with peace, love, and nonviolence. His legacy is a testament to the enduring power of these principles. He was a man of small stature, yet possessed an indomitable spirit that challenged empires. His presence was a force of nature, inspiring millions. Born Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, he later became known as Mahatma, meaning great soul. This transformation was not just in name, but in purpose and vision. This title was a befitting tribute to a man who led India to freedom, not through force, but through the sheer strength of his unwavering belief in truth and nonviolence. His methods were revolutionary in their simplicity. Gandhi's life was a testament to the power of peaceful resistance. He showed that one person's dedication to nonviolence could indeed change the course of history. He showed the world that true strength lay not in weapons and warfare, but in courage, compassion, and unwavering commitment to truth. His actions spoke louder than words. He called his method Satyagraha, meaning truth force, and it became the bedrock of India's struggle for independence. This philosophy was both a strategy and a way of life. His message transcended borders, inspiring countless individuals and movements across the globe. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela drew from his teachings. Gandhi's philosophy was rooted in ancient Indian principles of ahimsa, or nonviolence, and satyagraha. These principles were the foundation of his life's work. He believed in the inherent goodness of humanity and argued that violence only begets more violence. His faith in humanity was unwavering. He preached the power of love, forgiveness, and reconciliation, even in the face of oppression and injustice. His teachings were a call to the higher self. His life was a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards a just and equitable world. His legacy is a guiding star for those who seek peace. His legacy continues to inspire millions around the world, reminding us that change is possible, not through aggression and force, but through the indomitable spirit of truth, love, and nonviolence. His influence is timeless. Gandhi showed us that true power lies not in might but in right. His life was a testament to the enduring power of moral integrity. He remains a guiding light, urging us to embrace compassion, understanding, and the inherent dignity of every human being. His teachings are more relevant today than ever. Opportunities. His time in London exposed him to Western ideas and philosophies, influencing his worldview and broadening his horizons. He became a barrister, returning to India in 1891, filled with ambition to practice law and make a difference in his homeland. However, his legal career in India was short-lived. The challenges he faced in the Indian legal system were numerous and disheartening. In 1893, he accepted a job offer from a South African firm, Dada Abdullah and Company, and traveled to South Africa. This decision would prove to be a turning point in his life. Little did he know that this journey would transform his life and set him on a path to becoming the Mahatma, a leader who would inspire millions around the world. South Africa proved to be Gandhi's crucible, a place where his ideals and resolve were put to the ultimate test. He faced rampant racial discrimination and prejudice against Indians, who were treated as second-class citizens in their own land. This experience ignited within him a fire to fight for social justice, leading him to develop his unique philosophy of Satyagraha, a principle that would guide his actions for the rest of his life. This concept, meaning truth force, was rooted in the belief that the truth is powerful enough to triumph over any injustice, no matter how deeply entrenched. Satyagraha advocated for nonviolent resistance as the most potent weapon against oppression, emphasizing the moral high ground. Gandhi believed that violence only perpetuates the cycle of hatred and suffering, creating more problems than it solves. Instead, he urged his followers to confront injustice with courage and dignity, but without resorting to aggression, which he saw as a sign of weakness. He emphasized the importance of self-suffering as a means to awaken the conscience of the oppressor, believing that personal sacrifice could lead to greater societal change. Gandhi's first major Satyagraha campaign in South Africa was against the Asiatic Registration Act of 1906, which required all Indians to register and carry identification certificates, a blatant act of discrimination. He led thousands of Indians in peaceful protests, enduring imprisonment and hardship with remarkable resilience, never wavering in his commitment to nonviolence. His unwavering commitment to nonviolence and his willingness to suffer for his beliefs earned him the respect of both his followers and his adversaries, making him a revered leader. Gandhi's Satyagraha campaigns in South Africa, spanning over 2 decades, successfully challenged discriminatory laws and paved the way for a more just and equitable society, setting a powerful example for future movements. His efforts not only secured rights for Indians in South Africa, but also laid the foundation for his future struggle for India's independence, inspiring millions around the world. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India, a transformed man. He had successfully challenged the might of the British Empire in South Africa, armed with nothing but truth and nonviolence. His reputation as a leader of extraordinary courage and conviction preceded him, and he was soon drawn into the Indian independence movement. Gandhi's leadership in India galvanized the masses. He understood the pulse of the people and connected with them on a profound level. He spoke their language, wore their clothes, and lived a simple life, embodying the values he preached. His message of Swaraj, or self-rule, resonated with millions of Indians who yearned for freedom from British rule. One of the most defining moments of India's freedom struggle was the Salt Satyagraha of 1930. Gandhi, in defiance of the British salt tax, led a 240-mile march to Dandi, a coastal village in Gujarat, to produce salt from seawater. This act of civil disobedience sparked a nationwide movement, with millions of Indians joining the struggle for independence. Gandhi's unwavering commitment to nonviolence, even in the face of brutal oppression, became a source of inspiration for millions across the globe. His message of truth, love, and satyagraha transcended geographical boundaries, influencing countless movements for civil rights and social justice.